Choosing an IT path in Tampa can feel confusing with so many schools, certifications, and career options. Justin Martin, business developer at Cybersecurity Solutions, explains, "A career in the IT industry is a rewarding and challenging option where anyone can experience a variety of roles, work in almost any industry, and provide real, measurable value." Tampa offers opportunities across healthcare, defense, managed services, cloud, and cybersecurity, with tech roles available in nearly every industry. Local training options include colleges, universities, boot camps, and certification programs. Build practical experience through labs, Microsoft 365 and Azure projects, networking, and documentation to stand out. To explore Tampa IT career pathways in more detail, read the full article and add this to your Spotify playlist.